Hey guys, we are going for a walk. I'm here with Mr. Brett. Say hi, Miss Brett.
Hi, everyone.
And it's a rainy day, but we still decided to go out for a walk. And look at this beautiful stream I found. Did you hear the water? There's some on the other side of the bridge. I hear it rushing. I see it going over the rocks really fast. What a fun place to try and float a boat, don't you think? And then there's another little bridge over this way. I'll take you on a walk with me. There's a big puddle, but I've got my boots on. I can walk in it. Look at that. I see the reflection of the tree in the puddle. Splash, splash. Here's more of the creek. This side is kind of smooth. Not so many rapids with the rocks. But on the other side of the bridge, check this out. Wow. Look at those rapids. And look at all the trees. Friends, I hope you're able to get outside today, even though it's raining, and play outside a little bit in the puddles. I miss you guys. Love ya. Bye.